Alright, now we're gonna cut this muffler off. Old piece of shit scrap metal. Let's hope I don't hit anything important.
Jeez, what the hell happened to the back of this thing? Did somebody use this for target practice with a BB gun?
Your truck?
The bumper.
I hope not. Holy shit, that should not have cut as fast as it did. Apparently your pipe was rusting a little bit at the clamp. Done.
He broke it!
Fuck! I broke your truck. I can't, that's the easiest cut I've ever made. Now let's see if I can actually wiggle this piece of shit.
I bet all the girls, almost all the girls I know today.
Luke Bryan!
Yeah, Luke Bryan, yes. You nailed it. But,
Needs more flatheads.
they all been playing it off.
Oh. Wait a minute. You wanna have some fun?
Yeah.
Pull down. Oh. It's starting to move. We're gonna try and wiggle this off, okay?
You want me to pull down on that?
I can feel it. Oh, we're getting somewhere.
You want me to pull down on it?
Here's what you're gonna do. Do what I'm doing. You're gonna push up, and what you're doing is wiggling it loose on its.
You promise? Ow. You promise nothing bad's gonna happen?
No, you'll be fine. Green Day's pretty good. Here's the green.
Yep, it's coming.
Is it?
Yep.
You're gonna like this. The camera's on. You're gonna really like this. That's a 5.9 right there.
That whole time?
Nope, now it's on.
That's okay.
Okay, now we're gonna put this clamp over the tip of it. Nowadays it's teenage wasted land.
Yeah.
Okay, so now here's how you put a clamp on. See what I did there? And now you
I think I got the idea. Yeah, I have to feed those two bolts through, and then you put the two nuts on.
put that on like that.
Then the nuts.
No nuts.
Then the socket wrench I was playing around with. Where's that? There you go.
We're gonna start with that, then we're gonna go over everything with an impact, so I know that it's not going anywhere. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Because that just won't. You wanna hold that up like that? Just right here, just hold on to the end where my hand is. Right there. Yeah, why am I not using the impact wrench?
Whoa!
That's alright. There we go, slowly. It should still.
Impact hammer now?
That's at the end. Okay, now this. Take that out for now. You're gonna have to get the sawzall and cut that down. It really sucks for a while. Okay. Now I'm gonna ruin that noise for you. This is gonna be pretty close to what you're gonna drive with. Once you have a tailpipe, it'll be a little different. Let's see. Yeah, you can start working on that. Alright, there's our finished product. Had to extend it a little ways. Alright. Nice to hear your truck was this high.
No, thank you.
Not bad. Then you gotta feel for any leaks. That sounds pretty mean, dude.
I think so.
I hear a leak in the front end. Holy shit!
What?
Not a single leak. Because it's an impact though. You do have a front end tank. I think it's your cat. I think it's your bird, Daddy. You like it?
Yeah. What? You got it, man.
I'm done. I don't like that. Wow, that thing sprays.